is that when he gets connected with somebody, the years may pass, but he doesn't forget. You have seen Mr. Balajit Sindram is here. He's our Honorable MLA, son of late Donkupar, the Chief Minister who gave the USTM the bill and the act to set up this university, and not more than that, gave the entire permissions, spacing, everything. And Mr. Balajit Sindram is sitting here with us. Though Dr. Donkupar is not here, I'm sure he is looking down from above, and I'm very happy to see that the seeds that he had sown in 2008, or the nurturing that he had allowed, and the space that he had given, has today led to an institute like this, which is today shaping the lives of our youngsters, shaping their future, and more importantly, shaping the future of our region, our state, and the country as a whole.